Hello, I welcome you all. Today we have with us your spiritual companion, Shri Narendra Malhotra ji. So, sir, do these transcendentalists have beliefs? Are the beliefs of a religious person or a spiritual person are the same?
Not at all. Not at all. दोनों गाड़ियां ही अलग ट्रैक पे चल रही हैं.
कैसे?
Transcendentalists never have any belief set of beliefs.
So, sir, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but then how their brain functions without any beliefs?
Yes. Very good question. And the question has been asked by brain and mind. And the reply is from supermind. Mind needs these beliefs. This is the diet of mind. This is the addiction of mind to develop belief system. It may be religious beliefs, it may be it may be social beliefs, it may be relational beliefs, it may be political beliefs, it may be beliefs relating to your financial life, or any mind searches beliefs. If you go to religious section of society, you will find a number of beliefs that will be given to you, and perhaps in my childhood and everybody's childhood, they have inherited these belief system, and we are going to hand it down. Otherwise, we transform this belief system into belief-free system, not that non-belief system, belief-free system. Madam, beliefs are always divisive. And a transcendentalist is always following the path of establishing a unity with divinity, or it is also called non-dualism. अद्वैतवाद इसको कहते हैं. मैं और मेरा ईश्वर एक हो गए, द्वैत दो हो गए. बिलीव्स में ये द्वैत रहता है, रिलीजन में भी ये द्वैत रहता है. नो डाउट, मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि देर आर सर्टेन सेक्ट्स विच प्रमोट रिलीजियोसिटी एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी अलॉन्ग विद, तो देन they also practice non-dualism. But belief system particularly divides. I believe that drunkards are not good people, who smoke, who drink, not good people. Belief hai. I believe that those who are non-vegetarians, not good. And quite a number of beliefs that we have inherited. These are prejudices. These have been thrust upon us, and our mind is at saturated point. उसमें बिलीफ की जगह ही नहीं बची. फिर भी कोई आता है नवा बिलीफ तो वो ले लेता है. ये स्पिरिचुअलिटी में सब बिलीफ से आप फ्री हो. Your personality is unprejudiced. Your personality is belief free. As I said that belief system is being generated by mind, and in spirituality you enter onto another platform that is called supermind, or no mind, or beyond mind. The property of that zone, belief free. And spiritualists welcome everything. They can go to the religious institutions of 100 different religions, but a religious person will never. This is the major difference. Spirituality just introduces you with yourself, with divinity, in a very plain and in a very set down manner, by way of meditation. And religious beliefs and rituals, and they also can cater to enlightenment, but it's a long way. And many times, so many pseudo-spiritualists, they exploit the sentiments of the people in the name of moksha, mukti, ritual, and आज नीले फूल चढ़ाना, आज पीले फूल चढ़ाना. अरे भाई, नीले फूल पीले फूल ने कर क्या लेना है? करना है जो आपके कर्मों ने करना है. This is the major difference between the two, madam.
Okay, sir. So, anything else you would like to say to conclude the session?
Be spiritualist, be meditative, dive deep into the field of meditation, because it is the only way that will give an ultimate culmination and completion to your personality in a shortest possible manner. That's I would like to conclude this. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, sir. You have given a very good message to our audience, and thank you so much for being with us again.
Thanks, madam.
Hope to see you soon, sir.